Well, a number of years ago, I was employed at a medical facility, and on our treatment team was a speech therapist. And I discovered that this speech therapist had a extremely strong aversion to anything liquid that came out of a person's nostrils. And you can figure out what that is. First letter S, last of four letters T. Anyway, knowing that, I took a Marx Brothers song called Shaving Cream and adapted it to her, I guess you would call, phobia. So this is Snow and Rain, and I actually recorded it on her voicemail and lived to tell about it. Actually, she was half amused and half disgusted. I work with a woman named Sina and see her each day quite a lot. One thing I've discovered about her, she's phobic when she's around snow and rain. Watch her complain, kid her too much and she'll cause you some pain. She works with dysphagia patients whose trach tubes get clogged up a lot. But she'd rather suction those trach tubes than wipe off a nose that has snow and rain. Watch her complain, kid her too much and she'll cause you some pain. Now Sina buys donuts from Dunkin' and once was surprised what she bought. An eclair supposed to have jelly, instead had been loaded with snow and rain. Watch her complain, kid her too much and she'll cause you some pain. One day Sina needed a tissue. The box on her desktop she sought, but when she pulled out that first Kleenex, some culprit had soaked it in snow and rain. Watch her complain, kid her too much and she'll cause you some pain. And now it's the end of my story. I sure hope that I don't get caught. But if this song has you offended, stick your head in a bucket of snow and rain. Watch her complain, kid her too much and she'll cause you